Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is George Herrera with the Queens Home Team at Keller Williams Realty. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about home renovation loans or home improvement loans. And these are products that exist when you're going for a mortgage, and we don't see them taken advantage of as much as you would think, but they're a great option. So here's just going to be like a little primer, just kind of giving you a quick breakdown of home renovation loans and home improvement loans. And if you have any questions, obviously you can reach out to us and we can connect you with some of the lenders that we work with that offer these programs. All right, so what's a renovation loan? So if you're looking to purchase a house that might need improvements, then a home renovation loan can help you customize a home the way you want it, all without using your cash reserves or incurring debt on your credit cards. So that's pretty much what it is when you apply for a mortgage. If a property needs work, you can look into a renovation loan where the mortgage and the renovation costs can be built into the mortgage so that you don't have to come out of pocket to do the work. You can also use, so the renovation loan, you can buy a home that's below market value because of its condition. So even if it's way below market value, needs a ton of work, you can use a renovation loan for that. You can close on the home you can afford, customize it to make it your own, and possibly end up with instant equity. This is one of the big benefits here. We don't see it, people take advantage of it a lot, but it is a great way to make money going in, because remember, the properties that need a ton of work, they usually have the least competition. Most buyers nowadays, they want move-in ready. They don't want to do the renovations. They don't want to do the work. And so obviously those houses that are move-in ready and renovated, they go for the highest prices. Where the opportunity can be is in the properties that need work, because there's not as many people willing to go for them. And if you do the renovation loan, then you can actually renovate it exactly how you want to renovate it, make it the house of your dreams, make the kitchen of your dreams, make it look exactly how you want. And many times, if you do it right, if you do it wisely, you know, with a strict budget and you're watching everything, then the amount that you put back into the property to renovate, once it's renovated, that after repair value, or the value of the property once it's renovated, many times will be a lot more than what you bought it for plus what you put in. And that difference is your equity, built-in equity. So now you just made that amount of money. That's your instant equity, and that's what we call make money going in. So that's one of the benefits of a renovation loan. Some advantages of a home renovation or a home improvement loan are going to be that you can qualify for a down payment as low as 3% or 3.5%. So similar to FHA loans, you can put as little as 3 or 3.5% down and take a renovation loan. You'll have peace of mind knowing the home renovations are done the way you want it by a contractor of your choice. So when you do a renovation loan, you can't just use, you know, a handyman or a friend of the family that does work. You actually have to use contractors that are licensed and also approved to do renovation loans. And so you actually have to use licensed professionals, and what that means is that you end up getting, you can customize it the way you want, but you'll get good work done, and you'll get a high quality renovation done on the property that you're going for. Also, another advantage, you'll have no need to worry about post-closing costs like inspections, permit fees, architectural or engineer drawings, and all those other kind of fees. So architectural drawings, engineering fees, inspections, permits, expediters, things like that. All these fees can be built into the renovation loan. So the renovation costs, it can all come from the renovation loan. These fees can be financed into it, and they get paid out through your escrow, the renovation escrow account. You'll also have the security of a contingency reserve. So one cool thing is that when you do a renovation loan, we all know, you know, that when you do a renovation, many times you go over the budget. So whatever that contractor bid is that you get, the bank automatically adds on a 10 or 20% contingency reserve onto it. So if things kind of you start splurging a little bit, or things just get, you uncover different things that you have to do and it goes over budget, there's always a contingency reserve that they can pull from. Again, not having to come out of pocket, this all gets rolled into the mortgage. So this is one loan that includes the loan to buy the property and all your renovation costs. So here also another advantage is that you can finance up to 6 months of mortgage payments into the loan, so into the mortgage. For larger projects where it's not possible or preferable to live in the home while you're doing the renovations, you can avoid paying your mortgage and your rent at a temporary residence at the same time. So you can see that with the renovation loans, there's a lot of options and there's a lot of programs here and different ways that you can structure it. But in my opinion, it's a great product. And if we had to do this, we would have actually looked into this as well. But for all those, if you're looking at properties that need work, you like everything about it, you like the layout, it just needs work and you feel overwhelmed or it seems daunting, definitely look into the renovation loan, many times called the 203K loan. Look into the renovation or home improvement loans and see if you can build in the renovation costs into the loan, buy the property, fix it the way you want. It might be more work. It might be a little stressful as you're going through the renovations, but that's what we call sweat equity. So you put in the work, you're going to have less competition. You'll probably buy the property for below market value. And when you finish the project, if you do it smartly, where you're making sure you're staying within your budget and conscious of what the after repair value is, this is a good way to also make money going in and have instant equity after you're done. All right, so hopefully that was helpful for some of you. If you have any questions related to renovation loans or if you're curious to get approved for one, let us know, queenshometeam.com, and we can connect you with one of the lenders that we work with who do renovation and improvement loans. Okay, thanks as always for tuning in, y'all. Stay tuned for the next episode. Take care and have a great day.